These are some of our runners from today who are taking part in the Great Scottish Run 2010. Guys, yous are all fundraising?
Yes!
And who's the fundraising for? Who? Pakistan flood victims. And I have one of the directors of Awaz FM, Malik.
I'm running
Ali,
as well.
Ali, are you running or are you just here to...
I'm just here. I'm just making sure he finishes.
It's the wrong person to ask a question because by the time he finishes, the race will be finished.
Right, Ali, on a serious note.
No, I was being serious.
What's the cause?
A very worthwhile cause. Obviously, the community has been great. As you can see, I think this is just half the numbers. There's over 80 people taking part, and as I said, fantastic cause, and hopefully, inshallah, a lot of money will be raised as well.
Okay, I just thanks everyone for taking part in. And you hoping to finish well in time?
Oh yeah, I'm thinking I'm going for first, second from the end.
At the end? MashaAllah. And we have any comments you would like to make, Asim?
Hi.
You're raising money as well?
Yes, I'm trying hard.
You're trying hard?
Trying hard. I'll pass you over to the young man here.
Inshallah. And any message you want to give to the flood victims, sir?
Yes, certainly we're trying our best to get some relief for yourself, and your predicament is in our hearts, and we will do our best to support you people there who are facing such a problem in Pakistan.
Thank you very much. And I'll get one or two young ladies here who are taking part in as well. Hello. Any comments? Are you just going to walk or run? Well, both. Okay, all the best. And this is where we are, George Square, Glasgow, where 14,045 people will be taking part in the 10K very shortly. And then there's a 13-mile run as well. And these are some of our runners who are taking part in the Great Scottish Run. On behalf of Islamic Relief, we thank all of these runners, about 80 of them, but not all have turned up at this spot.